Welcome to one of the most extraordinary homes in Lakoya at Lely Resort. Perfectly positioned on a prime southern exposure lot, offering arguably one of the best longwater views in the entire community. This 3-bedroom plus den Scottsdale model has been meticulously maintained and features a bright, open floor plan with tall ceilings, plenty of natural light, and thoughtful upgrades throughout, including a whole house generator and updated appliances. You'll enjoy the lake view from nearly every room. And what truly sets this home apart is the outdoor living space. Designed to take full advantage of that incredible view, the expansive lanai offers the perfect setting for relaxing or entertaining, offering an outdoor kitchen and bar, outdoor living area, and outdoor dining area. You'll enjoy fountain views on 3 sides and a large saltwater pool and spa. As a resident of Lakoya, you'll have an exclusive membership to the renowned Players Club and Spa. Here, you'll find a luxurious tropical pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, full-service spa, dining, and an active social calendar. Contact me today for more information.